Thai food is one of the most healthy but still delicious, flavorful cuisines in the whole world. When you combine all these factors, the multicultural influence and the royal family ruling Thailand, tropical weather of Thailand, where anything grows, got a huge ocean front. So when you combine all these factors, Thai food becomes very unique. We try to do the best we can to bring it to a small town like Morgantown. So what we offer in Chaang Thai in Morgantown is a small representation of the vast Thai cuisine. Thai cooking always try to ensure that we have a nice balance of sweetness, saltiness, sourness, bitterness, and a little bit of spiciness. We have been able to offer such a unique, exotic food to a somewhat remote town like Morgantown. We are able to offer some of the unique customization options for the customers, like gluten-free, completely vegan, vegetarian, halal kind of options. The very first time I and my wife decided to open a Thai restaurant in Morgantown, which was 11 years before. I have never heard of Morgantown before in my life. I just did some research based on the criteria, but the first real contact in person I made over the phone was Sharon Stratton. So I called up the local business SPDC coach and asked her, what do you think about this town? I'm thinking of opening a Thai restaurant, and after 11 years, I can't be more happy. Sharon Stratton has been extremely instrumental in helping me open this business, and I probably consider her as one of the pillars of success for me in this town. All through these 11 years, she has not been just of tremendous help in getting loans and funding and helping me open a business in Morgantown, but she has been more like a strategic partner. It doesn't just end in she helping me get a loan opening a business. I'm constantly in touch with her, talking about my challenges, how the city is changing, what can be done to attract more customers. She has been a mentor, a coach, a guide, a guru, a friend for the last 7 years for me. People have to look at SBDC almost like a business partner whom we can get a lot of your questions answered and help you think through your business problems, and also if you want to expand your business and things like that. Going out and eating some freshly cooked food, that kind of an experience is never going to be replaceable. I do hope and wish that customers do come out and enjoy the small delights of life. When you think about Thai food, you can always consider stopping by in downtown Morgantown and try out Chaang Thai.